Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y19 and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to access your toggles by swiping up from the bottom left corner of your screen, like so. And then in these toggles right here, you want to locate the Do Not Disturb mode. So for me, it is close to the bottom right over here. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So quickly going into a couple of the options, we have things like schedule. This will allow you to select a fully automatic schedule, meaning you can choose the start, end time, and also the days of the week. Next would be things like the calls, so you can select who can call you and also message you. And you have additional option for repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period right here, then they will bypass whatever you have selected under calls. So there we go. Now once it's all set, you can close this and you don't have to ever come back there again, as long as you don't want to change anything. And whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, and select OK. Now this applies to people that want to manually enable it. Now for everyone else who is setting it up as a schedule, don't worry, once you select that schedule, the schedule mode will turn it on and off for you, so you don't need to do anything else. Just make sure that it is toggled on in the settings of it. So there we go, that's about it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.